Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove the letterhead from the last page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take some page with letterhead. Now we want to remove the letterhead from the last page. Go to the third page and go to Layout menu. Then click Breaks drop down menu and choose Continuous. Then go to the third page and apply the same process. Then double click on the header, text and click the header and footer menu. Then click Link to Previous. Then go back the third page and click Link to Previous. Then delete the letterhead on the last page. Then close the header and footer option. Now we can see here we remove the letterhead from the last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.